Have you ever wondered how the stunning island of Santorini came to be? The story of its birth is as dramatic as the island is beautiful. It all began with a colossal volcanic eruption around 1600 BC, an event so powerful that it shaped the very earth itself. This eruption didn't just create an island, it formed a masterpiece. The ground shook, the sky darkened, and when the dust settled, there lay Santorini, a gem set in the sea. But there's more to this tale. Some believe that this eruption was so cataclysmic, it led to the downfall of a civilization. Yes, we're speaking of the lost city of Atlantis. Legend has it, the city was swallowed by the sea in a day and night of misfortune. Could Santorini be the remnants of this legendary city? We may never know for certain. From the ashes of catastrophe, a paradise was born. Now let's journey back in time to the Bronze Age, where Santorini's first inhabitants made their mark. The Minoan civilization, a society that flourished on this island, was known for its advanced architecture and vibrant art. In Akrotiri, an ancient city preserved in volcanic ash, we can marvel at the intricate frescoes that tell tales of their daily life and beliefs. These artworks, with their vivid colors and detailed depictions, are a testament to the Minoans' artistic prowess. But Santorini was more than just a canvas for the Minoans. The island's strategic location in the Aegean Sea made it a significant maritime power. Its natural harbors and naval strength enabled the Minoans to establish trade routes, connecting civilizations and fostering cultural exchange. The island was a beacon of prosperity, a testament to the Minoans' ingenuity and ambition. The Minoans left an indelible footprint on Santorini, setting the stage for the island's vibrant history. As centuries passed, Santorini fell under the rule of several influential empires. From the 7th to the 12th century, the Byzantine Empire held sway, introducing Orthodox Christianity to the island. Churches sprouted, adorned with iconic blue domes that mirror the azure Aegean Sea. Then came the Venetians. Their rule, spanning 4 centuries, brought a new faith, Catholicism, and an era of fortified architecture. To guard against marauding pirates, the Venetians erected sturdy fortresses, their stone walls standing tall to this day, silent witnesses to a turbulent past. It was during this period in the 13th century that the island received its present name. The Venetians christened it Santorini, a tribute to Saint Irene, the patron saint of peace. From then on, the island has carried this moniker with grace, a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Santorini, a melting pot of cultures, continued to thrive under each new influence. Fast forward to the present day, where Santorini shines as a beacon of tourism and culture. This picturesque island, with its iconic white buildings clinging to the cliffside, has evolved into a beloved destination for travelers worldwide. Its unique architecture, a symphony of white and blue, is a visual treat that's hard to match. The world-renowned sunset of Oya, where the sun dips into the Aegean Sea, painting the sky with hues of gold and crimson, is a spectacle that draws in countless admirers each year. But Santorini isn't just about stunning vistas. It's also a paradise for wine connoisseurs. Thanks to its ancient volcanic soil, the island boasts a flourishing wine industry, producing some of the world's most unique and flavorful wines. From its sun-soaked beaches to its vibrant vineyards, Santorini is a place that embraces its past while looking towards the future. Today, Santorini is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature and the enduring spirit of humanity. From its fiery birth to its rise as a coveted destination, Santorini's journey is as captivating as its landscape. Born from a cataclysmic volcanic eruption, this Aegean gem has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, each leaving their indelible mark. The Bronze Age bore witness to the advanced Minoan civilization, their legacy etched in the ruins of Akrotiri. Byzantine rule infused the island with a rich religious heritage, while Venetian dominance fortified it against invaders, shaping the distinctive architectural landscape we see today. Yet Santorini's tale doesn't end in the annals of history. It has emerged from its layered past to become a modern-day paradise, a haven for travelers seeking the intoxicating blend of culture, history, and breathtaking beauty. Next time you gaze upon the azure waters or the sun-kissed buildings of Santorini, remember, you're not just looking at a beautiful island, but a remarkable slice of history,